All right, in this video, we want to establish our task application. But this time we're going to do it from MongoDB. So what we want to do, this is assuming that you do have JHipster already installed and configured, which you should by now in this course. So let's go ahead and come over here and do JHipster. And now you can see that I am coming up using version 4.7.0. And we are just going to go ahead and do a monolithic application here. That's perfectly fine for our use case right now for this little demonstration. And we're going to call it task Mongo. And we're just going to call it task app Mongo there. And using my domain, guru.springframework. And we do not need the JHipster registry for this. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and use Jot for this. That should be interesting. And this time, this is the key that we want to change here is MongoDB. So let's go ahead and do that. And we'll go ahead and use a Maven build for this. And we don't need any of this here, just double checking. Nope, that's all stuff that we do not need for this little demonstration. And we will go ahead and use Angular 4. And we do not need that. And we'll skip internationalization also. And I'm not going to bother with any of these guys here. And we do not need any other generators. So this is going to go ahead and create the JHipster project for us. It'll just give us the stub. And I will go ahead and check this into GitHub and establish a GitHub project for us to use going forward in the course. Once it is up and running. This does take a couple minutes, so I'm not going to go through and wait for everything to populate here. And like I said, I'll get this project set up into GitHub. So you saw the steps I went through. In the next video, we are going to go ahead and create our first entity.